And William, pick up again.
Hello. It is nice to meet you. Hey, what's the big idea?
Hello, Hambone.
Hello, William. Pick up, pick up. Hey, that man just told me to get lost. How do I do that?
I do not know how to get lost.
Hey, I got it. What if you become lost, and then I can get you?
But I do not know how to become lost.
I got it.
I'm now dizzy. But I still know that I'm right here.
Hey, I bet you do not know where you are in the scheme of things. You know that you are right here, but where is here in relation to the cosmos and beyond? I say that if you are not lost, it's only because you are thinking about your situation from a very narrow perspective. No?
I guess I am lost.
Gotcha!
You know, it's a joke. Just awkward. Kill me.